Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to welcome each one of you and thank you for joining our parent information session. Your presence here today means we all care for our children and want the best early years experiences for them. I am Sanmantha Gurum, your presenter for today. This session will provide an overview of who we are, the values that guide our everyday practice, and how we work together with families to nurture children's growth. We believe that strong partnerships between the educators and the families create the best environment for children to feel safe, valued, and confident in their early learning journey. I will take you through our philosophy, programs, routines, policies, and our approach to teaching and learning. Please feel free to ask questions at the end, or you can approach us at any time for clarification. So about the center, our center, Hope ECEC, or Hope Early Childhood Education and Care Center, it is designed as a calm, welcoming, and inclusive space where children feel safe. Our location, as you can see, is away from traffic noises and distractions, enabling meaningful learning experiences. Our curriculum is based on the Early Years Learning Framework, EYLF version 2, and it aligns with the national quality standards, ensuring high quality education and care. We also actively incorporate Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander perspectives to foster respect for culture and connection to the country. This enriches children's identity, empathy, and world understanding. So center operations, talking about the center opening times and all, our center offers a long daycare services, and the opening hours are to support the working families, which is opening from Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. It runs 52 weeks a year. The center remains closed on just on the weekdays, closed on the weekends and on the public holidays. We care for children aged 6 weeks to 7 years, 5 years, offering a nurturing environment that focuses on belonging and focusing on their routines. Our play-based approach ensures children learn naturally through exploration, imagination, and hands-on experiences. So, predictable schedules help children feel safe and understand the flow of their day. Now, talking about our purpose and the philosophy, our center's purpose is to create a safe and conducive learning environment where children can feel a sense of belonging, families feel supported, and educators feel empowered to make a difference. Our philosophy, the values, we value relationships and aim to build positive connections with the families and the children. We also embrace equity and diversity, ensuring every child feels recognized and celebrated. Sustainability is embedded in our practice as we teach children to care for the world around them, and reflective practice helps our educators grow professionally and continuously improving the learning environment. We emphasize on child-led learning. So now talking about our team, meet our team. Uh, our team consists of highly trained early childhood professionals who are passionate about guiding children's development. Our center director is Mrs. Sarah, who has been in the early childhood education and care for about 15 years. Her leadership and management skills are commendable, ensuring the smooth functioning of the center. We have lead educators in each room to plan. They plan programs based on children's interests and developmental needs. We have assistant educators holding Certificate 3 in early childhood education and care, and then their role is to support and assist with daily routines and in learning experiences with lead educators. All educators, they have mandatory certificates such as the first aid, CPR, asthma, anaphylaxis training certificate, and blue cards, which are a requirement to work with the children for their safety. And our director and educational leader, they work closely with the team to ensure curriculum quality, safety, and ongoing improvement. So these are our team members. Learning programs. So in our center, we have 4 classrooms based on children's age. Each age group experiences learning tailored to their developmental stage. So firstly, in nursery, responsive care and warm interactions support infants' emotional security. In toddlers, the toddlers engage in sensory and exploratory play that helps build independence and communication. In pre-kindy, children participate in creative, social, and problem-solving activities. The educators design the activities that are engaging and appropriate for their age. Our kindy program prepares children for school through early literacy, numeracy, and socio-emotional development. We also focus on making transitions smoother for kinder children, especially they will be moving to the school, so we try to make it more smoother. Additional services. We have additional services as well. We offer nutritious meals for the children that follow dietary guidelines and cater to allergies or any children's needs. We collaborate with inclusion professionals such as speech therapists or other specialists to support individual children. Our center hosts special events like cultural celebrations and book week, which whereby encouraging family participation. We also provide sustainability learning, gardening, and wellbeing programs such as Happy Feet, which support children's physical health. So far, we have seen children they are enthusiastic about these wellbeing activities. Pedagogical approaches. Our pedagogy is grounded in play-based and inquiry-based learning. Play supports creativity, problem-solving, and language development and resilience. Inquiry encourages children to ask questions, explore, investigate, and think critically. We incorporate Page's theory, which highlights hands-on exploration, and Vygotsky's sociocultural theory, which emphasizes on learning through social interactions and educator scaffolding and their learning. In this way, we are promoting their physical, cognitive, emotional, and social development. Curriculum frameworks and policies. Our curriculum aligns with the Early Years Learning Framework version 2, as I said earlier, and it aligns with the Queensland Kindergarten Learning Guidelines, which is the guideline based only for Queensland, and the National Quality Standards. These frameworks guide and ensure that the center programs are up to the required quality standards. These policies ensure a safe and inclusive environment. Other policies in place at our center are child protection, which remains our highest priority, and staff are trained to recognize and respond to any risk. We embed inclusive practice by valuing each child's cultural and personal identity. Strict hygiene and safety procedures are followed daily. We also teach children environmental responsibility through recycling, like gardening and sustainable habits, like similar to that one. So staffing and ratios. So we maintain educator to child ratios as required by the national regulations. Consistent staffing helps build attachment, trust, and emotional security for children. Our team ensures smooth transitions throughout the day so the children always feel supported. For nursery, it is 1 educator to 4 infants. In toddler, it is 1 educator to 5 children. In pre-kindy, one educator looks after 11 children, and in kindy, it is 1:15. We always make sure that we always work in the ratio so that we can cater to children's cares and needs for their safety as well. Family partnerships. We strongly value our partnership with families. Daily communication, digital through updates like digital updates and regular meetings help us work collaboratively. Through this communication means we educators and families communicate about children's skills, their skills, growth, emotions, and learning. This helps families and educators to understand the children better and work collaboratively, whereby the children feel valued and included. We also welcome family feedback through surveys or informal conversations. It helps us to focus on our quality improvement. Community involvement such as visitors from local organizations help enrich children's experiences. This will support children's well-being and belonging in the community. So overall, like you and us collaborating and then working together, the children feel a sense of belonging. They feel safe because when this it's obvious because when they see their educators and then their families talking or having a conversation or working together for them, then they get that sense of belonging and they feel secured and they focus on learning. Now, enrollment and fees. For enrollment and fees, you can contact via the given email or contact in the phone number given here. Otherwise, the other way is you can also visit our website, or for more information, you can always visit the center at any time. I mean, in the opening hours of the center with your queries. So thank you for joining us today. Your trust and collaboration plays a crucial role in your child's success. We look forward to working closely with your family to support your child's growth, confidence, and curiosity. So please feel free to ask any questions if you have, or you can speak with us after the session. Thank you, everyone.